Here's how to add music to your project in Final Cut Pro. But first, just a quick disclaimer before we get started. If you plan on making videos for YouTube or another video platform, you want to make sure that the music you're using is copyright free. If you use copyrighted music, that video could get a copyright claim or strike, and it could affect your channel's monetization and status. Now, if you're serious about content creation and have a little bit of money to spend, the place that I get my music from and that I recommend is Epidemic Sound. They have over 50,000 really good non-copyrighted songs and over 200,000 sound effects that you can use in your videos. It's a pretty popular site that a lot of other big YouTubers get their music from too. They even have their own desktop app, so you can just drag and drop whatever song you want into Final Cut. If you want to check it out, I'll leave my link to it at the top of the description. That'll give you a free trial. Alright, now back in Final Cut, once you have the music you want on your computer, what you want to do is open up the Finder, and then you want to go and locate where you have your song downloaded. For me, it's in my documents, and then here in music, and then you just want to go ahead and select your music and drag it in. You preferably want your music to be a MP3 or WAV file. Now once the music is imported here on your timeline, if you want to adjust the length of it, all you need to do is drag on the sides so that the music lines up with the video. Now, if this music is meant to be faint and in the background, then you're going to want to adjust the audio levels. To do that, you can either select the music and come to the top corner and turn down the volume, or you can just hover over the middle of your track until you see these two arrow symbols, and then you can go ahead and drag down. Preferably background music, you want somewhere between -30 and -40. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.